Hey, what's going on everybody? It's your bro, hope you're doing well, and in this video I'm going to explain the reduce method of arrays in JavaScript, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Well then everybody, I should probably explain the reduce method of arrays. The reduce method is a built-in method of arrays that will reduce our array to a single value. Here's an example. Let's pretend that we're playing a game of Scrabble. I have an array of letters, and I need to combine all of these different letters together to form a single word, a single value. I can easily do so using the reduce method of arrays. So we'll need to create a function to actually combine them all together. So let's define that function. Function combineLetters is a good name. We'll fill in the parameters momentarily. So this is going to return a single value. We can store that within a variable. Let's say word. Let word equal, then type in our array letters.reduce. We'll be passing in our function name as an argument. This is referred to as a callback. So if we pass in a callback into the reduce function of an array, there's going to be 4 arguments that are provided for us. An accumulator, a value, index, and an array. So we're not necessarily going to use all of these. All we'll need is accumulator and value, and you can rename these too. So let's rename accumulator as total, it's a running total, and value as, what about nextLetter? Okay, so what we'll do in this function is return our current total plus nextLetter. By using this reduce method, the returned value is actually going to be input for the next iteration of combineLetters. So our output will be input for the next iteration until there's only a single value remaining. So if I was to use console.log to display my word, we should be left with a single value of help. All right, so that is the reduce method. So it's kind of tricky to understand the concept behind this. Basically, the output is going to be input for the next time that we use this function until there's only one value that remains too. So there's also reduce right as well. So we basically work in reverse order. So this would now be play. So that's another method that you can use too. So in conclusion, everybody, the reduce method is a built-in method of arrays that will reduce an array to a single value. If you would like a copy of all this code, I will post this to the comment section down below. But yeah, that is the reduce method of arrays in JavaScript.